today I'm going to be doing a little bit of an apartment makeover video. I'm going to do some home decor shopping. Today's video is sponsored by Bed Bath & Table, which I am so excited about. You know that I am always popping in there to pick up bits and pieces for my home. So today I'm going to go in store and do some shopping. I'm going to show you some of their new Easter collection, and then I'm going to bring a whole bunch of goodies home and style them up for you. And I know I already said that I'm excited, but I'm just really excited, so let's go. Okay, so they seriously have the most adorable stuff for Easter this year. There's so many beautiful things. I've already done a little bit of a look online, so I kind of already know what I want, which is one of the things I always do when I go to shop. And so I am definitely eyeing off this little yellow plate here, and then this little pink one underneath. It's beautiful. Like, look at these little eggs, they're so beautiful. This little egg is one of the pieces I've had my eye on. It actually matches my nails and will pretty much match my entire living room at the moment. I love this color. It's like a glittery, lacy kind of printed egg. I think it's beautiful, so I think I'm definitely gonna get this. Look at this little bunny down the back. Isn't he the cutest? I think I have to put him in the list too. He's going in the basket. He has to come home with me. I definitely think I have to take some of these home. I really like this one. I'm tossing up between this one, or maybe I'll get both, but I really think my vases would look really good with some of these in them. I found these near the front table and I think they are stunning. So these are gonna go into one of my vases. It's a couple of days later and I have all of my goodies, and this afternoon I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning and then style everything up. So let's get to it. Here's the goods. Oh my God, they look so cute. I'm just going to have to unwrap everything and then I can get styling up. I'm going to start with this section first. I'm going to clear everything off, wipe it all down, and my beautiful flowers have finally come to an end. This one's still kind of alive, but they've survived about 2 weeks, which is pretty impressive. So I'm just going to clear everything off and get cleaning. The first thing I'm going to work on are these incredible pastel stems that I can put into my vase. I think these are so beautiful. They're made from wire, so you can just bend them to whatever shape you want and spread out all the leaves. I'm thinking this one that's mixed with all different pastel colors will look good here. So pleased with this. It looks so good. I'm now going to style up some other things on here. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm gonna play around with it and see what I can come up with. So this is what I've started with. It might change yet, I'm not sure. I've got a couple of little eggs down here. This is a pink flower, sort of glittery egg, and then this one actually lights up, and I do need to pull out the tab so I can get it going. It's gonna be so cute. And then this is my absolute favorite thing from the entire collection. It's 2 plates and they just work so well together, and it's my favorite thing. I just love the colors. It's so cute. And then I also have this little white bunny bowl that I have filled with these fake gold eggs, which is really cute. But like I said, this might change. This is just the start. And now I'm gonna go do the coffee table. These ones are going to go into the vase here on the coffee table. I really like these ones, and I just need to wipe down the coffee table because it's actually a bit dusty, and then we'll take this off and we'll start sorting this one out. I'm done with the coffee table. It's very simple. I just have a little bit of color in these beautiful flowers, but then I've got a couple of white little bunnies underneath, which it's so simple, but I really like it, especially with the white contrast to my dark coffee table. I always love whatever comes together on my coffee table the most. I don't know why, I just really like this. The next thing I'm going to do is clear off my TV unit and style up the sides. For the other side of the TV unit, I have some more of these stem things that will go into a vase. That's actually a teacup, but it's a vase and it's gonna look cute. These are my favorite kinds of home decor. This is a massive mug. It's adorable. It's got a little bunny on the front of it. And I thought this would be cool to sit here, and then I can bend these stems and just pop them into here like this. Looking at the TV unit, I think I'm gonna switch the two sides because with the coffee table and this stick thing on this side, I feel like it's too much being on that side and that needs to be on that side. So I'm just gonna switch them around. I definitely like that a little bit more, having this one on this side and then that sort of on the opposite side. I think it looks a lot better. I have a few pieces left and I'm thinking of decorating the second shelf of my entry table. This shelf is looking pretty adorable. I've left this shelf the same as when I first started. I think it's really cute and I like it. Half this stuff though actually lights up, so we should pull out the little tabs on the bottom of these things and get them working. That's so adorable. I love that. That's gonna be so nice at nighttime. This little guy here lights up as well, so we'll see what happens. He's very adorable. I think that will look really, really good at nighttime. I can't wait to see it. This one here lights up as well, but I just need to go and find some batteries for it, so I'll do that and then we'll get it working. The tree is so adorable. This is really, really cute. I love it. I think I'm done. I am so into all of these pastel colors. Everything looks so good and it feels really, really fresh in here, and it feels like a change of season, which is really, really what I wanted. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna go through and do like a little tour and show you everything that I changed up. I'm done decorating. So now I'm just gonna go through everything. Up here, I have probably my favorite thing. Actually, I'm gonna say that about so many things, so ignore that. One of my favorite things. I love the stems. I wanted something that was tall, and this just looks so beautiful, and because it's wire, you can spread everything out and make everything look really full and design it the way that you want, which I really like. So underneath that, I have two little eggs. I have a white one that has lights in it, and then I also have this pink one that has a floral pattern on it, but it's also a little bit glittery. If you can't quite see it in this light, it does have glitter on it. Next to that, I have these two plates. This is my absolute favorite plate set from their Easter range, and what's really cool is you can use their plates and their cutlery and their cups as home decor, and then also use them as well, so it's really cute. And on the end, I have this little bunny tray with these little gold eggs, which are really, really cute too. Second shelf down on one side, I have this glorious mug. This is really, really cute in yellow and pink and a little bunny on the side of it. I have these two adorable little white and gold bunnies at the front here. These are just the cutest. And then I also have another one of these little eggs. This one is a mint green one. It's a bit smaller than the pink one, but it is glittery, and this one has a bit of a doily print to it. Over the other side, I have a little bunny butter knife and then this adorable bunny tray. It's in the shape of a bunny. It's so cute. I have a little pink bunny statue, and then also this sort of turquoise bunny egg cup that has a lid, which I think is really adorable as well. To the coffee table, and my favorite part, I am in love with these little stems. I think they're so beautiful in pink and green, and then underneath I have two white little bunnies, and it's just so cute. On the left side of the TV, I have a very adorable little bunny in a teacup. It's so cute. Then I have this other pink egg with a bunny on top that also lights up. Then I have this bunny mug. This is a very large mug, so if you love coffee, then this is going to be a great mug for you. Or of course, you can turn it into home decor like I have. And then I have these two stems which have green, blue, yellow, and pink eggs on them, as well as all these other little beaded ball things, and I love it. And again, with the wire, you can just branch everything out and it makes everything look so full. And the last little spot here on the other side of the TV unit has an adorable pink mug with a little bunny on the side of it. Then I have a little turquoisey mint green bunny, this really cute light up egg tree with green, white, and pink eggs on it, and I just think it's all come together so nicely over here. So that is my apartment makeover for Easter. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. I am absolutely in love with it. Do let me know if you are decorating for Easter and what color theme or style you are going for. And up the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.